Let's see what other data types we have in Python aside from string. In Python, we discuss string data type first. In it, we have list and tuples data type, which we will study in future classes in detail, so we are not discussing them here. After that, the data type we have is numeric data type. There are three types of data types in numeric data types: integers, floats, and complex numbers. Integers numbers will be those numbers which will not consist of decimals or integers. Floats will be those which will use indicators. Complex will be those which will have one real part and one complex part. Now we will see them in memory. How we type them in our interpreter in Python. Secondly, how we utilize them. We will declare a variable here. It is given the output 10. If I want to check the type of variable, I will. We have a function here. It has told me that this function belongs to which class of data type, that is int class. It belongs to integer class. Similarly, I have declared another variable here, which is var2. Printed it out as it is. If I want to check its type also, that which type does it belong to, I will give the name of that variable in type and it will tell me. This belongs to float type. Third type of numeric value type is your complex data type. How is it presented? 10 plus 2j. This is your complex number, this is real part, and after that, after the plus sign, this is our imaginary part. If I will print it, will it give me the correct print or not? Let's check this. It has printed it correctly. If we want to know which type class this variable belongs to check that type, var3. It has told us that it belongs to complex number. Similarly, if we have exponent, if we have to solve something exponentially or in its power, for it we use double steric, which in actuality is operator type. That it is an operator. If I write var2 equals to var steric steric var1, I haven't printed it. Let's print it. Print var2. So in var2, the thing available was 10.8. So in its exponent, it placed var1 and it solved it in this form. 10.8 places 10 in its power, so that the answer we got is 2158, a float number which is a big value. These are number values, numeric data types, which we will use in Python in our lectures.